Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you change wallpaper on iPhone. So to change wallpaper on iPhone, at first go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the option wallpaper. Click on it. Now here you can see you can just customize your wallpaper, or you can just add new wallpaper by clicking add new wallpaper, this option. You can add new wallpaper from this featured option here. You can add your astronomy option like clicking here like this, or you can add this unity bloom, this type of wallpaper, or you can see there are so many type of wallpapers here. You can just slide it like this. Just click on live photo and the live photo will be featured in front of you. You can see the live photos from here. If you select all, you can see the live photos are here. You can select the emoji option, emoji to your wallpaper. You can select different kind of emoji, and after selecting different kind of emoji, you need to just click the top right add this icon and your wallpaper will be added. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.